Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the book closely to find which pages are loose and whether the spine is intact. This determines the fix. Once done, collect PVA archival glue, a fine brush, waxed paper, a bone folder, and clamps or heavy books for pressure. Make sure to clear a flat workspace and slide scrap paper between pages to protect printed areas. You need precise tools because PVA dries flexible and archival, so the repair will last without damaging paper or ink. You now reattach the loose page by applying a thin, even bead of PVA along the gutter or spine fold. This is the adhesive that bonds paper without stiffening it. Then align the page edge meticulously so text lines match. Press from center outward with a bone folder to remove bubbles and distribute glue. Once aligned, insert waxed paper to prevent transfer and clamp the book under even pressure. This ensures contact as the glue sets and keeps the page perfectly flat. You finish by trimming any dried glue filaments and leaving the book clamped until the adhesive cures, usually 24 hours for basic handling and 48 hours before heavy use. If excess glue squeezed onto text, gently lift it when tacky with a clean, barely damp cloth. If a page is misaligned after drying, you can rehydrate the joint lightly and reset immediately. If pages keep coming loose or sewing has failed, you should resew the signatures or contact a book conservator for a durable repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.